Hey, I'm Sparky, and these flying around my head right now are your organs. Your brain, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, kidneys, they're all living inside you and right now working every single second to keep you alive. Cool, right?
An amazing organ waiting for you right on the other side. Ready? Here we go. There.
Shh. Put your hand on your chest right now. Feel that? That's your heart beating. It sits right in the middle of your chest and it never stops. It pumps blood through tiny tubes called veins and arteries all the way to your toes and back. That's your heart size. Wow! Inside your heart there are 4 rooms.
Blue blood comes in, gets filled with fresh oxygen, then bright red blood shoots back out to your whole body super fast. Fun fact, your heart beats about 100,000 times every single day. That's without stopping.
Our organs are amazing. They never stop working, not even for 1 second, keeping us alive. Take care of your amazing body. It takes care of you every single day. I hope you understand now just how special you really are.
Thanks for learning about our amazing body organs with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Sparky Science.